Next. Okay.
Yehlisa
Mike.
yehlisa into.
Okay, so welcome to next talent search. Mnibizo lami kuthiwa nguSipho Mason Nyathi. I'm going to be a judge.
Umnikazi wempuphu ngujudge lami.
Salibonani.
Yebo.
Linjani?
Ayisaphila. Wena kuthonga bani?
Mina ngobutholezwe.
So Buthelezwe ufuze usenzelani uyenza ngani Buthelezwe?
Bengifuna ukuzohlabelela uChero wami ngifuna umthembisa ukuthi ngizamshada. Ngizohlabelela uChero wami.
Okay.
Alright.
Uyahlabela vele wena.
Ngiyahlabela.
Okay. Nice.
Right.
Ngazama ilizwe maybe.
Okay.
Angahlabela.
Alright.
Ahlabela.
Uyembuthe lemba.
Ngazithengela.
Alright hlabela.
Ngikopela.
Yakopela actually yakopela yeah right. Ikas lakho nga?
Ngaphi?
Ikas lakho.
Oh, I come from Ethon Grove, it's a township.
Oh,
Okay.
nice.
You can perform.
Okay. We like the way you dress from Don Groove.
Thank you. Thank you so much and my hair is welcome.
Yeah, cool.
So ngahlabela.
Yeah, hlabela.
Dali ngizokuthengela iring ngikufake emunweni Dali ngizokuthengela iring ngikufake emunweni kwelizayo Dali mina abakithi sebephethenga akekho omunye oke washadalana kuwena wedwa zongikhulula.
Wow, Butho uyahlabela. Have you recorded before?
Yeah, I have.
Okay.
I actually have songs ezidlalayo kwezinye indawo.
Uzitholakala ngayo ingoma zakho?
So you can get my music kuma digital platforms wonke Spotify, iTunes, YouTube, etc.
Personally, I don't think you can afford the ring that you're singing about.
Because I don't think when I ring I afford it because ihembe yakho
bra.
ihembe yakho inkumbuza
I think-
impopho mahayi.
For me, uthungene ku next talent search, I think it's a no. Ihembe bra.
Shirt yakho ngani ngempopho
Cela
mahayi.
nokuzame inye right
No,
now.
Oh, no, don't worry. Thank you.
Ah,
Thank you.
Thank you. Bazakulalela ku YouTube khona ngale.
Eyoxolisa.
Hayi.
Why? Next time, choose the right wardrobe for the
Because-
talent search. Thanks, Butho.
Yeah.
Nice.
So vela alifuni ukuthi
The
Ah,
voice is
sakho.
wow.
Ngingaphi?
Next.
If voice yonke into right
Next.
but I think next
Next.